Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix can't start your camera with error code 0xa00f429f in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you can do is at the start icon, please do a right click, scroll up and then go with settings. Once you are here at the settings, directly proceed to the left side of it and look for an option called Privacy and Security. Just have to click on it and you need to scroll down and look for an option called Camera under App Permissions. Just have to click on it. The moment you have the click on it, make sure that this camera access is enabled or turned on. Okay, if video in your case is being turned off, turn it on so that you'd be able to give an access on using your camera in the apps and all over the apps that you have. Okay, once you have ensured that it is being turned on, you need to check if your camera is now working. But let's if it doesn't, then navigate here again at the settings. And this time you need to proceed on apps next to personalization. And here you need to go with installed apps. Click on it. So under the list of applications present in your Windows or computer, you need to scroll down, please, and look for an application called Camera under Microsoft Corporation. Just have to click the three dots there and go with advanced options. Now, the moment you have to click on it, you need to scroll down and look for an option called repair. Now, the app's data won't be affected at the moment you have to click on it. Just have to repair that and wait until the process will be done. So it will only take 2 minutes or less than that or a minute, okay? So just have to wait until it will be done and it will mark checked here. And once you're done, check if your camera is now working. But let's say if it doesn't, then we need to move on to our third step. Okay. So our third step will be here at the bottom search bar, you need to type for Regist Edit. The moment you have typed that, proceed on the best match and go with Run as Administrator. Your user control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you would be able to give permission on running this system called Registry Editor. Where here you need to follow a registry path, which is this. Okay? So in my case, I will be just copying this and paste it. I'm gonna paste it here at the address bar. But in your case, you have to follow such. Okay? So in your case, you need to go with hkey underscore local underscore machine. Click on it, go with software. Click on it, go with wow 6432 node. Go with Microsoft. Go with Windows Media. Go with Windows Media Foundation and go with the platform. Once you have selected your platform, here you need to proceed to the center of the screen and you need to create a new DWORD 32-bit value and name that Enable Frame Server Mode. Okay? So how you can create such here at this area, you need to do a right click, go with new, go with DWORD 32-bit value and rename it into Enable Frame Server Mode. Click on enter. Once you have set it, double tap and make sure that the value data is 0. Once you have ensured that the value data is 0, click on OK and close this window. Once you have closed it, restart your computer and check if your camera has been fixed. But let's say if it doesn't, then we need to move on to our next step. Our next step will be we need to navigate here at the start icon. Please do a right click, scroll up and go with Device Manager. So here at the device manager, you need to expand it first and proceed to cameras. Okay. Once you have selected it, click this forward arrow and proceed to your camera driver. Just have to do a right click and go with update driver. Now here, it will opt you to choose two options which are search for automatically and search manually for drivers. Proceed on the second and go with let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer and just have to select this and go with next. Once it is being installed in your Windows, you need to check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so those are the steps on how to fix your camera which is not working or which is getting an error. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.